put this through here. This isn't gonna be easy at all.
Well, I'm done and it's safe to say I won't
And
make
then you
it
put
best
that
for
on
you.
one.
Pretty done finding words to
Then you
say
put that
to you
on.
after
Yep.
the beep.
And we'll put
I've waited patiently.
spring on.
But you're done and it's
Shit in my
plain to
face.
see that I messed up too
Alright,
much.
once you get this
Yes,
spring
I
on,
cut
then you put this
my
on. Just make sure it pops out.
I'm drunk as hell. Guess it's all
Can I
done,
hold this?
and I wish you well, and I'll take my goddamn phone and shut it off.
Is this the new one or
I'm
the
just
old one?
tired of being just another missed call.
This one. Is this one the new one?
Can you hand me that white piece up there, please? This one right here is the new one.
Is that the new one? I've seen these on YouTube.
Alright, so then we're gonna try to get this cord through one of these holes. So push this all the way down. This should be easier. And then you just kind of push it in that one hole. Whoa. Nope. Almost there. All right. Oh, that was in there. There we go.
Where did you
All
put
right.
the seat?
And see, that's kind of like a little piston too. Right there. All right.
Where did you put the seat?
All right, let's see.
Do I need new wheels?